on my way to work and I'm late. Apparently my bike got water getting at the gas. So tree block the road. So this is the morning after the storm. Oh, and yes, me did have to ride in at the storm. Watch him too! Ah, I don't care. Shit. This is the morning after the storm. Oh, and yesterday me did have to ride in at the storm to come home. We couldn't even vlog that because the camera to me have the microphone plugged into the camera, it kinda not make the camera waterproof because it have one little opening where the microphone plug into, so you have to take out the camera and ride without it. So I couldn't get to show you guys how me that ride through the storm yesterday, but it was pretty much hell. Oh, they flying on my face. It was pretty much hell basically, but I did it and I got home safe, and that is the greatest part about it. Yes, people, praise it to the Most High. Just reached my yard. No shoes. Can't afford me new shoes for wet up. Good old faithful Betsy bring me home. Thanks be to God. Bless up on yourself. Friggin' car up there, so I move so slow, man. Sure. So right now me get some water in my gas, as me did I say before. Water get in my gas. So me have to ride it out. A tree drop down out there, some bamboo tree and everything they are lean over. Right, a little bit hard. Bike's on half full, brother, because of the water in I gas. Oh, baby. Yeah. So I try to run out that gas here. Hopefully it can carry me back home so I can go to the gas station later. Morning. We don't have no empty buckle or anything. Can drain some gas in there. Yo, me G, you know no buckle. I can drain some gas in there. I have to go look in the garbage. Yeah man, respect, this good. Alright, I'm gonna reach out so I just drain out this blouse and skirt. like a little rubbish sheet, brother, I swear. Alright guys, I'm soon forward. Why, if I tell you now, what was wrong with the bike? Bro, nothing was wrong with the bike. There was no water in my gas, nothing like that. We put one rag underneath the seat. And what happened is the air filter, it go suck the rag in. So it did a block. The air box. So it never did get no air. I said, Jesus Christ, when I pull off the seat, and I start drain the gas and I see me say, ratty doll now. Cheese and peace. Whoa. He said, ratty doll, I see it a while ago and I nearly faint. Come here and say, oh, gas forgetting on my, oh, water forgetting on my gas. Oh, water, that has never happened before. My gas tank is sealed. I know me have to move fast to reach our work. I should have reached long time. Should have reached long time. Should have reached our work. Watch out now, ratty doll. That's how the bus have come over for me, brother. Right there, friend. And then 2 minutes have no good brake. Couldn't stop in time. I think of the car now I'm gonna take. Come here, so oh, the bus have come over on my side. Oh, the truck have come over on my side. So I go over more toward the left, and I think of the car I'm going to take. But me see if I come out, if a man never go so, we wouldn't know. Come here, go over, me and show the truck have come over. I say, yo, you see bike? You see this bike thing, brother? Nothing never wrong with bike a while ago, you know? Nothing more than the rag. Get sucked, respond, the rag got sucked, respond, the rag get sucked in at the blouse and skirt earbox. Come and dry it out, the rag gone all the way in and block the entrance. So the bike can't get no air. This morning is a hell, man. It's a hell of a morning, bro. Just ask God for guidance on my way to work. And do what I need to do to stay out of danger. The road is bad, so I have to ease up. Respect. Come on, stop light, come on. One to kill a road black man. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm about to pull them over. What they back on me? Pull over. Escort this in a youth. Why would it turn left? Oh God! Sure. I saw one ratted hole in our road. They want chuck. What? The road you have to turn for, you know. What a morning torturous, my gosh. Anyways, me soon reach my destination, so take a right up here, so first gear. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, bless up on yourself, have a good day, bye bye. Alright people, so we have Dom here. Dom is my, yo, if you never see Dom in the comments, then this is the guy that who always comment, you know, respect Dom. Dom fly down and Dom bring me a little present. Me not show no walls yet, but Dom, Nuff respect, my brother.
My honor, my pleasure, man, to meet the man.
Yeah, bro.
And back in life in Jamaica. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, man.
I can't imagine how excited I am and honored to be here.
Respect, bro. Respect. Yeah, man. So,
alright.
Get the gift. Alright, guys. So, these are the things, the little presents that Dom gave me. So these are mirrors. They are called bar end mirrors. So basically they go on the end part of the bar here. And yeah. So get some nice bossy mirrors. Alright, so I'm gonna test fit it and show you. I already did test fit it, but I have a little problem as it regards to my handlebars. My handlebars them short, if you can see that. It's about like maybe what, an inch to 2 inch short. Yeah. My handlebar now come all the way out. So this now I have a little problem, but you know we are Jamaicans, we are gonna find a little workaround. So I'm just fit it in and show no how it would look. Hopefully it not drop out. Yeah, so, and it can move like so, right? Can even bring it over. I have it up here like so, you know. But for the most part, I down here some more I have it. Yeah, it'll look something like that. Yes, sir. Can't wait to put them on. Find a way to put them on, make them work. So enough respect goes out to Dom for bringing these Yeah man, enough respect my G.